Today is Friday, it's 8 a.m. and every Friday at 8 a.m. I do these Facebook Live videos where I share tips and tricks to makeup and sometimes hair. Every Friday we're going to be here and you can feel free to join me live or you can watch the playback if you don't catch it live. Everyone who shares the video gets entered into a contest twice. Everyone who likes a video and makes a comment on the video will also get entered into the prize contest. So today's prize package will be 3 of those beautiful Macy and Mia lip glosses provided by Macy and Mia Cosmetics, and you can see more of them at macyandmia.com. But we're here today and I have a special something to share with you. I have these magnetic palettes. These can be purchased on my website, sherrijessee.com. What's good about these? Several things. First off, the beautiful artwork done by my cousin Mary Silcox. I chose some of my favorite things that were in her sold portfolio at the time and had these manufactured just for me. They are magnetic palettes. Inside the palette is a full magnetic base. Your colors come in and out, and you can change them out as you wish. You can use any brand in here. They simply drop in and stick onto the magnetic base. And then right here, you have a full mirror so you can see yourself when you're getting ready. So that is awesome. Check this out. Look at these beautiful, beautiful new blush colors. So these, you can purchase them. I have all of these beautiful colors in stock. So I wanted to share these with you today and then put on a little blush and a little contour. And all of these colors give 12 full hours of coverage. So they will come in a little guy like this. Open it up, take this out, and then drop that into your palette, just like that. And it stays right where you put it. So this particular color right here, this is called Shy Blush. This is one of my favorite blush colors. This is actually the one that I have in my compact right now. Balance of a peachy pink with golden undertones, so it actually gives you a nice radiance with a hint of gold, which I love. So there's that one. Then we also have, and I put them in here for demonstration purposes, and if you were, say, a makeup artist or somebody that liked to have a lot of choices in your blush, you could certainly purchase all of the colors and drop them into your magnetic palette. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color. This is called Latte. This is the new contour color. It's called Latte. I'm going to drop that into my own personal compact. Then I'm going to take a brush. Let's see here. I'm going to work with this one, and I'm going to work with the tip end of my blush brush. And I'm going to start at the top of the hairline and go down. Now you all know I don't like a lot of highlight and low light colors, or definitely, you know, I want to look a little bit more natural, but look what that does already. Just with the addition of that highlight color or the low light color, this is a contouring. So lower colors, darker colors emphasize recession. And look how that brings my cheekbones in. Already, honestly, that looks like I lost 10 pounds. And it's just a tiny bit of a brush of this color, which is called Latte. And this is the new contour color in Mary Kay. And I do have these available for sale if anyone's interested in purchasing these. So darker colors emphasize recession, lighter colors make things look like they protrude. So we're going to kind of emphasize the cheekbones, the hollows of the cheeks, but in a really natural look, okay? So that's what we're doing with that low light color. If you want, you can also take a little bit, if you want to make your nose look slimmer, you could take a little bit of that and just go down the side of your nose. You could also work with a smaller brush, but I'm just using the very tip end of this angled blush brush. I find if I use that tip, I get a little bit more of a direct application, okay? So that's all I will do with that. This is going to be fast. What I want each Friday with my makeup tips, I think I'll be offering maybe like one little tip and trick so that's faster, and then you can go on with your day. Now let's go over these blush colors. This one right here is called Strawberry Cream, and it's a pink color, a soft pink with a little bit of golden undertones, okay? So there's that one, Strawberry Cream. This one, for those of you that want a little bit more wine tone, this is called Cherry Blossom. So it definitely has more of the mauvey pink tone to it, Cherry Blossom. The next, this is called Wineberry. So definitely even more of a wine tone. This color is Rogue Rose. Beautiful pink color. Darling Pink. It's very, very soft. This would be a good color for like a teen or a tween that wanted to get a little bit of color. I think this would also make a pretty highlight color. All right, this is called Juicy Peach. And you know, sometimes I really love having peach colored blush. So pretty, and look, it's got a little bit of gold tone too. Love that. All right, and then we come down to these colors, which are a little bit more of highlight colors. This is called Honey Glow, a definite warm, bronzy honey glow. And then we have this one right here, which is called Glazed. And I can't help but think of a Krispy Kreme donut and the glazing. So I'm going to be using this one, the Glazed. I'm going to drop that into my own personal compact. So I have my contour color and my highlight color, and this one's my blush color, which this one is Shy Blush, which is my favorite blush. And I'm going to pop over here and work with this angled blush brush. Now we did the contour pretty much from the edge of the hairline down toward the corner of the mouth, and then just brush, brush, brush. And what I like to do, lightly tap, okay? And then for the blush, we'll start right here at the apple of the cheek, lightly tap, start at the apple of the cheek. Now I'm not going in for any more color. I'm going to take this and just brush, 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 brush until we get that color blended nicely, okay? So see, that just gives me that nice glow there on the apple of my cheeks. Take the tip of the brush, go into our glazed color right here, which is our kind of golden highlight, and then we'll take that right here on the top part of the cheek, okay? Right here, top part of the cheek, right on the cheekbone. Now this is going to give a good glow, and I'll take a little bit of that, go down the center of my nose, but this isn't the kind of thing that's going to be like a white line. It actually just gives a beautiful glow to the skin, okay? So this is going to be a nice, healthy shine, a good glow. You can take a little bit of that and rub it there on the Cupid's bow if you want. We did a little down the center of the nose. And then I'm going to go in with my fingertip, and I'm going to put just a little bit right here at the tear duct area. All right, for a little bit of brightness. That is all we're going to do for the cheek color. And then what I want to do is go back in and add a little bit of lip color, and we'll be good to go. This is color number 65, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Wear. Love this color. It's kind of a peachy pink color. Now let's see here. Here's some of my leftover blush colors. Look how gorgeous these are. All new colors. If you guys know someone who sells Mary Kay, they could introduce you to these, or you can reach out to me and I have all of these colors in stock. I love that they're so soft. You get that great glow. I love the new highlight colors and the new contour color. That Latte I think would work with almost all fair skin tones, fair to medium. And then they also have one that works for darker skin tones. Now I'm going to work with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. and apply this. This goes on wet. You're not going to blot your lips together like you would with a lip gloss. This Superstay matte ink dries and it forms into a semi-permanent lip color. I like this because it has a nice pointed tip, so I don't even have to use a lip brush to get this on because I can be so delicate and accurate with this applicator. This Superstay lip wear, you can put one color, one coat on, and you know, sometimes I'll go in with another color. I'm going to take this pink color. This color is number 10, and I'm going to put just a little bit of this right here in the center. The lighter colors emphasize protrusion, so by putting a lighter color in through the center, that made my lips have the appearance of being slightly fuller. Don't be afraid to mix your colors, all right? These you can mix these colors, any superwear, longwear color, you can actually mix the colors together until you customize and get a great blend just for you. What did we do today? I introduced to you, I shared with you my magnetic palette that you can put in and take out the colors that you love. I added in a brand new contour color. This is called Latte. A brand new highlight color. This is called Glazed. And my favorite blush color, this is called Shy Blush. And we did that application, and you can see we have a beautiful glow. We've got a little bit of cheek contouring, and we also have that rosy color on the cheeks by using these 3 colors right here. Then we've got in my compact some of my favorite shadows, but today, you know what? I'm not doing any eyeshadow at all. I'm just going to simply go with the mascara and the lip color and that nice glow on the cheeks. And that's going to be it. I appreciate you being part of my Friday. I hope your Friday is fabulous.